hidden deep within the green hills of Ciamis, West Java. There is a peaceful village called Kuta Traditional Village. In Kuta, there is no electricity or modern buildings. Houses are made from bamboo and wood. Here, life flows peacefully. The air is pure, the forests are alive. The people here live simply. Everyone helps each other like one big family. In Kuta, togetherness is a way of life. Every path, every tree, every stone carries a story. A story of wisdom, simplicity, and respect. For those who visit, Kuta is more than just a destination. It is a living museum of Sundanese culture. Kuta village teaches us that true happiness comes from living simply.